Hello.
Snail, how are you? I like your smile. You're good. Did you eat your dinner already? Did you eat dinner already?
No.
Not yet.
Because at 7 o'clock I will eat.
Oh, after our class you will eat.
Yeah.
I see. Still here, it's still very early in here. You know what time it is here?
So early. So there are no students. Only me.
You're the first one. We should play while waiting for your friends.
Yay. What shall we play now?
I'm thinking, can you sing me a song? What's your favorite song?
CV draw.
What is that? It's in Vietnamese. It's something about the virus? The COVID?
The COVID-19.
Ooh, can you tell me about it? What does it say?
That's the virus.
Oh, look at that virus. It's so scary. How do we stay away from virus?
The main thing I'm going to talk about.
Annie is coming. Hello, brother. What's the name of your brother?
It's the hospital.
We don't want to go to the hospital, right? So we should keep ourselves healthy and strong.
The mask.
Yes.
Wash your hands.
Exactly.
Rub the soap.
Hello, Amy.
Hello.
How are you, Amy?
Go away from crowds. Go away from crowds.
Yes. Did you draw that?
Yeah.
You did? Ooh, very nice drawing. It's so colorful. Now, hi, Amy. How are you, Amy?
I'm fine. And how are you?
I'm fine too. Thank you.
This is the Vietnamese word.
Oh, yeah. Bien pa pong. What does it mean in English, Snail?
5 steps to stay away from COVID-19.
Oh, that's very informative, huh?
What are you saying, baby?
Do you always wash your hands before you eat?
That's not the time I eat my medicine.
Okay.
I said to my baby, my little baby.
What's the name of your brother?
Baby brother.
Oh, baby brother only? How about the name? What's his name?
Hello.
This is
Say hello.
Hello. Hello, brother. Abby, did you have a haircut?
Hello. Hello.
Did you have a haircut? Okay, our friends are coming in. They're joining us. Okay. Everybody's coming. Come on in, everyone. Don't be shy. Hello, honey. How are you, honey?
I'm baby. I made my white glue.
Oh, wow. Okay, did you make something with your white glue?
Yes.
Okay, I think everybody's here already. Okay.
How about Khan? Where's Khan?
Ang is here. He's connecting. Hello, Khan. Hello, honey. You're here. Amy.
Wait, my mom is going
There. And who else? Snail. Are we still waiting for someone?
Hey, July. Yes.
Sure, Jelly.
Okay, here's
Okay,
July.
let's study. Are you ready? Wow, lovely. I cannot wait to see your work, everyone. I cannot wait. Okay, are you all ready to study? Everybody's here? Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Put your hands down. Eyes on me. Okay, let's start our lesson. Now, let me show you
What
something.
is our lesson today?
I don't know. Do you know?
About business side. I think
Uh-huh.
business side. And Miss Sai is going. Is teaching everyone.
Where is Miss Sai? Where is she? Okay, let's get ready. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, hold on.
No.
Okay, here we go. Let's start.
Where are you going, Mom? But that is going to make us snow.
Okay, ready? What is this?
Extreme weather.
Okay, exactly. Our lesson is about extreme weather. What is extreme weather?
Hey, Mrs. July, what is extreme weather?
Yes. Who knows what is an extreme weather?
It's like a big storm.
A big storm, right, Amy? It's like a big storm. What else?
It's a big storm.
Also,
And a big
exactly. Right. Extreme weather is a different kind of weather, right? It's like a weather that is very, very cold, very, very hot, and sometimes it's very, very extreme weather is like having winter in summertime, or having a flood in the city, right? That's an extreme weather. Okay, now everybody, can you see the screen? All right. Now, extreme weather, they are
weather.
examples of extreme. Yes, they are like tornado, flood, or thunder.
Hurricane. And hurricane.
Yes,
Do you
exactly.
know Donald Trump?
Hmm?
Do you know Donald Trump?
Yes, honey? Did you do this experiment with your mama?
And not all.
Did you do this experiment?
Water and we shake it.
Yes. What happened to the water when you shaked it?
A tornado.
Oh yeah? It was like a water spinning inside the bottle, right?
Spinning.
Yes.
At my school, one boy do this experiment with his bottle, and it looks like this too.
Exactly the same, right? So when you spin the bottle,
And I'm trying to make it too.
what is this thing in the middle?
Oh yes.
Uh-huh. What is it?
Tornadoes.
Tornado.
That's what do you call this? Do you know what it is called?
Oh, I know it. I know
Tornado
it.
in a jar. Tornado in a jar.
It's, no. It's not a tornado. Okay? Uh-huh. No, this thing that is spinning in the bottle is not a tornado, okay? Because if it is a tornado, everything's going to fly. But this is the same with a tornado, okay? You call this thing
A real tornado.
yeah, but you call this thing a water vortex. Everybody say it. Water vortex.
Water vortex.
Vortex.
Yes. Water vortex. Okay?
Water vortex.
Exactly. Very good, Amy. So this thing that you see here, it's
Yes.
a vortex. Uh-oh. Hold on. Move on. Get to my screen. Okay. Hold on. Okay, now do you see this?
My map saw some picture.
Okay, everybody look at the screen. Now take a look at this one. This is an example of a water vortex. You see?
Yes.
Like in the bottle, in the experiment, the water just spins.
How about in the bathtub?
Spins. Exactly, Andy. When you open the hole in the tub, there's a whirlpool.
I think
It's a water.
water vortex.
Exactly. Okay, now let's think. Everybody think. Put on your thinking hat. In the nature, where can we find a water vortex? Amy said in the tornado, there's a water. Where? Where can you find a water vortex? Yes, honey?
In the ocean. The large ocean. Or in a river.
Okay. Actually, okay. Okay, so actually we can see or we can find, okay. Hello, everybody listening. I'm going to mute all of you. Okay.
I'm so scared.
Okay, hold on. You think that my teacher's computer is stuck? Okay, hold on.
What are you doing, July?
Okay, hold on. All right. Can I? Hold on.
Con bảo đi mong như thế. Quickly, July.
Okay, hello? Can you hear me? Okay, now I need everybody to listen to teacher. Okay? Okay. If you want to say something, raise your hand. Okay? All right. Raise your hand if you want to say something. Okay. Water vortex. Somebody said we can find a water vortex in a tornado, right? Right? How about, where else can we find a water vortex? Who knows where to find a water vortex in nature? We can actually find a water vortex in a hurricane, like the typhoon. And also in a whirlpool. Okay. All right. Now let me show you something. Hold on. Okay. Who has experienced a typhoon in Vietnam? Heavy rain. Now let me show you. I will show you a video, and I need you to listen to the video here and watch. Okay? Are you ready?
I have this. Having.
Go. Please watch.
Heat waves and hailstorms, snowstorms and sandstorms, typhoons and tornadoes. That's weather, the temporary state of Earth's atmosphere at any given place at any given time. It's dependent on the complex interactions between the air, water, and heat from the sun. Earth is a dynamic planet, its atmosphere a giant weather engine powered by the sun. Since the sun heats up more air over the equator than it does at the poles, it sets in motion massive circulations of air. Warm, moist air near the equator rises and flows toward the poles. Cool polar air sinks and flows back toward the equator. As this air whips across the Earth's surface, it continuously interacts with the land and sea, exchanging heat and moisture and creating our ever-changing diversity of weather. Winds push masses of warm and cold air away from where they form. The places where these air masses clash are called fronts, where thunderstorms and other foul weather often occur. A cold front is created when a mass of cold air wedges under warmer, lighter air, forcing it out of the way. This often makes for dramatic changes in the atmosphere, such as heavy clouds and violent storms.
See that? It's a thunderstorm. So you heard that when the when the warm air rises and mixes with the cold air, it creates a bad weather. It creates a severe weather, okay? Just like this thunderstorm. Go on.
Warm fronts occur when a warm air mass slopes over a cold air mass, pushing it along. Weather effects are usually less dramatic during warm fronts. It often gets hotter and muggier, and there's a good chance that showers and thunderstorms may occur. All over the world, some 45,000 thunderstorms occur each day. They usually warm, humid air called updrafts, rising above the earth and condensing into clouds. Ice crystals and water drops grow heavy enough to fall to earth and rain begins. Well, not always rain. If the air temperature is below freezing, precipitation can fall as snow. And if the water drops are exposed to temperatures both above and below freezing before it hits the ground, it falls as ice or sleet. By observing and analyzing the Earth's changing conditions, scientists can often predict what tomorrow's weather will bring. And it's called meteorology, and it's how a weather person knows if you should grab your umbrella, sunglasses, or bundle up. By using various scientific instruments, meteorologists keep a
Did you see? So that video is all about how the severe weather was formed. When the earth is very, very hot and the air goes up and then it mixes with the cold air up in the sky, they create a lot of severe weather. Now let me show you. Okay. Hold on. Okay, everyone listen. Okay, time to listen to teacher. Okay, so you see here, the weather, in order for us to have a weather events are what examples of weather events are those severe events that are happening. They are called weather events. Tornado, thunderstorm, flood, blizzards. They are called weather events because they are special. They only happen sometimes. Okay, and we call these weather ingredients. Okay, everybody read this one. Weather ingredients. Who can read this part? What is a weather ingredient? Okay, Amy, can you read it? Can you read this part?
Yes.
Okay. Weather ingredients.
Are variables that make up a weather.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Amy. So weather ingredients are variables that make up a weather. Like, for example, when mommy is cooking a noodle, okay? How do we cook a noodle? What are the ingredients of cooking a noodle? Who knows? Yes. Okay. Honey.
Can you say again, please?
Honey, what are the ingredients of cooking a noodle? Do you know? Honey. So when mama cooks or when... I'm asking about a noodle. Okay, so when mom is cooking a noodle, she needs water, noodles, and some meat. And yes.
Noodles.
Exactly, honey. When you put them together, you can eat a very delicious noodles. So it's the same with weather. Okay, so in order for the nature to create an extreme weather, to create a very, very strong thunder, they have to have different variables or different things in there. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Right? Okay, so first, a normal weather needs to have pressure. Pressure is the air in the earth. Okay, that's the air in the atmosphere. Then the wind. Okay, that's the wind. Next is moisture. That's the water in the air. And the temperature that creates summer, or that creates the rain, the summer weather also, or the snow. Right? So let's see. Let's take a look at the temperature here. Where is Vietnam on this map? Can you show me where Vietnam is?
I think it's right here.
Where?
It's right here. Right in there. Right
Okay.
in there. Right here. Right here. That area.
Okay, I see.
Me too, right there.
Okay, right here.
The warming area.
So what's the color in that area? What's the color here?
Right there.
What's the
Right
color?
here. Can you say again, please?
What's the color in this area? Can you see the color?
It's red.
Red. So let's take a look at the color here.
It's so orange.
Oh, it's 80 degrees.
I think
Or it's 30 degrees.
I think the heat.
Exactly. The red color means that area is hot. The temperature is hot. Okay? Okay. All right, now let's go to extreme weather ingredients. Let's see, let's take a look at the tornado here. Okay, what makes a tornado is it has clouds in it, strong wind,
And
rain,
rain.
hail.
The wind.
Yes, strong.
And the hail.
Exactly.
And the hail. I think this is a strong wind.
Exactly. Have you ever seen a tornado? Was there a tornado at your place?
Yes.
No.
Oh.
I've never seen tornado at my place when my mommy was born. I can see one on TV.
Really? On
A
TV?
hurricane.
It's a scary thing.
I can see a hurricane.
Let's take a look at the tornado here.
I watched this video
You did? Okay, let's watch it again. All right.
I have watched this video.
Can you hear it?
And
Ghosts,
Okay.
gently coursing.
Okay. Take a look.
so beautiful.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Bây giờ nhiều nãy.
There's no tornado here.
Beautiful.
Look at the tornado. Oh. See?
It's so
What can you see?
beautiful. I can see a man.
Uh-huh. What else? Look at. You see? There's a very strong wind. Okay?
Just look over at the flowers.
Yes.
Oh, I can see hail.
Yes. Very good, honey. Look at that.
Is that a tornado?
Uh,
a giant tornado.
see? It's very big.
Tornado.
It spirals up.
It smells very quickly. Hail.
Exactly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay? So that's what makes a tornado. Okay? Tornado has clouds, strong wind,
Water.
rain, and hail. Yes, it's water and the rain. Okay?
Cloud, strong wind, moisture.
Exactly. Very good, honey. Okay, now let's move on to the other. Oopsie. Next thing. How about, let's say, a thunderstorm? What are the weather ingredients of a thunderstorm?
Can you say it again for me, please?
A thunderstorm? What are the weather ingredients of a thunderstorm?
It's cloud and rain and then lightning and then moist and then energy and
Wow, very good, Kyle.
yeah.
Okay. Let's see, a thunderstorm. Okay, everybody, let's listen to Kang first. Okay, Kang, what are the weather ingredients of a thunderstorm? Can you guess? Take a look at this one.
Rain.
Rain?
Rain
Okay.
and then cloud, lightning, electric.
Yes, very good. Wow, you know all of them.
And
Very good.
lightning shock.
Yes.
And I don't know what. What do you see on my fan?
It's only basic. There are only 4 things. Okay, the basic things that ingredients that a thunderstorm needs to have are rain, lightning, thunder, and thunder wave. Very strong.
Oh, it's lightning.
Take a look at this one. Okay.
Okay.
See, the thunderstorm happens first. It creates. The first stage is developing stage. It's the cumulus. The cumulus clouds develops. It's the big, fluffy, heavy clouds that you can see in the sky. And then eventually it gets bigger and bigger and taller up there in the sky. And then there will be rain, strong winds, and then the lightning will take place.
I like hail very much.
But hail is, you know, when you get hit by a hail, it hurts.
Yes,
Because
it's very.
yes.
And when I'm a little girl, my mom was a little girl. Half hail. And
Yeah.
my mom likes to go out to the house.
Thunderstorm is a scary thing, okay?
But my mom is a little girl.
Uh-huh.
When my mom is a little girl, like He like hail very much to touch the hail in the house.
Exactly. Hail, but if there's a hail, stay inside the house. Now let's take a look at the thunderstorm. Okay.
Okay.
See, this is an example of a thunderstorm. All right. Oh, and it's also very noisy. You see? There are lots of cumulus clouds in there, and you see the lightning, and it's raining also.
Yes.
All right? Okay. Now, how about, okay, let's see, a hurricane. Hurricane. What is the hurricane? What are the ingredients of a hurricane?
Hurricane is rain and water and wind is a gust. Gust.
Okay, now let's take a look at this hurricane happening here. Okay. Okay, you see this?
Yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's really scary. See the strong wind? It's blowing everything up. Okay?
Even garbage.
Mm-hmm. Oh, everything's really flying.
Oh yes.
It's going miles per hour until it stops.
Very good, Kat. I
I
think
think
something to
already
share
is
here with us.
very strong.
Uh-huh.
Very heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Way.
Yes, exactly. So what is the hurricane? What are the ingredients? What are the weather ingredients of a hurricane? Mm-hmm. Kang, do you know the weather ingredients of a hurricane?
Is the
Strong wind.
Okay. Uh-huh.
I know. So cool.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's listen to Kang here. I think he has something to share to us. Let's watch a video here.
One vortex.
You did, uh-huh. Here, I'll show your friends something here. Okay, hold on.
Yeah. No. I don't want to look.
It's like white hole
Who is that?
in the universe.
It's time.
Okay, listen to him, please. Okay.
Get out, nothing can get in. In fact, hurricanes can bash down houses, causing chaos. So if you live in a city, it can cause more chaos. That area like a few of our area long year ago and then a chaos. Chaos is not really costed $1 trillion.
You see, the storm, the hurricane can cause flood. Okay, look at the city. It's filled with water already.
Vietnamese dollar. That's insane. That's very insane. Compared to if
Look at the river. The river is overflowing also because of heavy rain from the
the
hurricane.
hurricane size of Ho Chi Minh City, it can cost like $104 trillion. That's insane.
Okay, thank you very much, Khan, for sharing us your video. Thank you very much. Where is Khan? Khan, where are you? Okay, so you see, a hurricane consists of very, very strong winds and heavy rain. And also, get this one. Hi, Khan. Thank you for your video.
I'm shy. I don't want to hear it, so I run now.
It's very informative, actually. See, Snail, honey, everybody's listening to it, right? Snail?
Yeah, I'm shy, so I'm running out. Run out.
Don't be shy. Okay, now take a look at this one. This is how a hurricane forms. Okay, take a look at this. All right. So, yeah. The hurricane forms in the area near the equator or where there is a warm water. Okay. If the water is warm, the warm air mixes up with the cold air in here, and then the water swirls like this. There's like a water vortex. It swirls and swirls and swirls. Yes, Snail. And then it goes up into the air, and then it goes to the land. That's what makes a typhoon or a hurricane.
Oh!
Okay.
My head is so
Yeah, it's swirling like a water vortex.
dizzy.
Relax, Snail and honey.
This time a water vortex.
Ah,
How to make a water? A
yeah.
water vortex in a tornado in the jar. So
Oh, yeah?
that's so.
Yes, you did that. I think
Oh,
I did it also.
Put it.
Your friends will
Put
do it.
all
Okay.
the men.
Okay.
Then took the thingy. I don't remember. I don't know the name is.
Stick.
And then
Okay, you should do this
stick
at
it into
home.
it. It has yellow color
You should do this at home.
until it has bubbles. Stick it until it has bubbles.
Okay.
Yes, it looks like a
Yeah,
bubble.
we cannot see it. Can you show it up on the screen?
And close it.
Yeah, show it to everybody.
Shake it.
Honey, look, Jenny, Amy, Snail, come on.
I need to shake it until it has many bubbles.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, we're waiting.
It's so slippery.
Okay. Okay, we're waiting, Khan. Look, can you show it on the camera? On the camera?
There.
Okay.
There, it is shaking. There, that one.
See, there's a water vortex spinning inside the bottle. You should do it at home with your mom later, okay?
Yes!
Okay, do you know that the hurricane has different names? When you go to the USA, the name of the hurricane is hurricane, okay? But somewhere in Indian Ocean, it's called a cyclone. And also in Southeast Asia, we call it typhoon in Southeast Asia. All right? Okay.
Actually,
Yes.
try some right now. I have one. I have one. It's like so too, but we don't live. And the word
It doesn't matter if you download it like a side, but I don't see it.
They caught it a spin of water.
Yes, Amy. Okay. Hurricane is very scary when it happens. So, is there a flood in Vietnam? Yes, there's a flood, okay? And the flood is made up of heavy rain. Rain. It's raining so hard, it creates a flood, okay? Now
The
take a
hurricane have heavy rain too.
And there are 5 different types of flood. The first one is the river flood.
One is river flood and coastal flood storm. I just know about it. How about flash flood?
Okay, hold on. Okay. There are 5 types of flood. The river flood, okay? The river flood is when the water in the river overflows. And then coastal is when the water from the sea, there's too much rain and the water from the sea goes up, okay? Coastal flood. Then we have storm surge, inland flooding, and flash flooding. There's a lot of different kinds of flood, isn't it? Okay. Let's take a look at a video here of a flood. Oh, we don't have enough time. Okay, let's just move on because we do not have enough time to take a look at the videos. Hold on. Okay, so see what a flood can do? It can damage us a lot of areas also. Your house can also get sink in a flood. All right? Okay. How about this one? What is it? It's a... Very good. It's a blizzard. Okay. Blizzard. All right. A blizzard, okay, when there's heavy snow and it's very, very cold and the wind goes up to 35 miles per hour, it's called a blizzard. Too much snow and very strong wind blowing covers up the whole place and even the cars. See? It does not happen in Southeast Asia, in Vietnam. Good thing we don't have it. There's no blizzard in our country. But in the USA, in America, they experience blizzard. Okay?
Yes, in American have snow, so sometimes have blizzard too.
Exactly. So we are
Like my uncle.
They experience blizzard there. We are very safe from blizzard. Good thing we don't have it in Southeast Asia. How about this one?
Dust storm.
Oh, I know it. Dust storm.
Yes, honey.
I know dust storm too.
Dust storm has strong winds and arid conditions. Okay.
Yes.
Let me show you a blizzard.
What's the dust storm?
It doesn't happen in the, hold on. Do you think that there is a dust storm in Vietnam? Do you think there's a dust storm in Vietnam? No. It usually happens in the desert. Okay? Just like this one video.
Desert. All out of Egypt.
Here, take a look at this one. No, not in Mars.
Mars have dust storm.
Yeah, in Mars we have dust storm. Okay, here. This one is in Australia. Take a look at that dust storm.
Dust storm can have earth swirling like a tornado too.
Exactly. Okay, but this one is like the very strong wind blowing the sand. So you see?
Yes, but sometimes it has swirl, but it cannot. But it's not really dangerous. But it's dangerous when it's iron wind flush into the air.
Yes, it's very hard to breathe when you go outside and there's a dust storm. It's very difficult to breathe. Okay?
We need to close our window too.
Exactly. It covers everything. A dust storm covers everything. on its map.
And I think that we need to eat the stuff because we go outside.
And it's
When
not,
we go outside, we can't see anything because the dust has covered everywhere by yellows.
okay, okay. Too bad we don't have so much time to.
The dust.
But I think we finished everything. Just remember the extreme weathers, okay? We have the thunderstorm, okay? If there's too much lightning and thunder in the sky, it's a thunderstorm. And I think it also happens in Vietnam, okay? And then,
Yes.
Oh.
Happen in Vietnam a lot.
is there a typhoon in Vietnam or a hurricane? Does it happen in
Yes.
Vietnam? Yes. Okay. So what is a hurricane called in Vietnam? Is it a cyclone, a hurricane, or a typhoon?
I think it's a tropical storm. Tropical storm.
No. What is
How
it?
about a
Typhoon, hurricane, or cyclone?
Typhoon.
Very good, Khan. Okay.
Typhoon.
A hurricane in Southeast Asia is called a typhoon. All right. Okay. And a flood. Okay. Does flood happen in Vietnam when there's heavy rain? Is there a flood there also?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So,
There are extreme weather all over the world.
The flood it doesn't matter in Ho Chi Minh City. The flood doesn't matter in Ho Chi Minh City because the Ho Chi Minh City is completely has no beach in the core. Completely no beach. It doesn't matter. It's not happening in Ho Chi Minh City because it's in the middle. If where you live, it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen.
so you're safe from flood. How about blizzard? Is there a blizzard in Vietnam?
No.
Okay.
No.
Dust storm?
Yes.
There's also a dust storm in Vietnam?
Yes, and when?
But not too much. Not too much.
Long
Dust storm.
time ago, there are dust storms too.
Oh. Okay, anyway, it's already time. It's time for Teacher Julie to say goodbye to everyone. Okay, it's nice having you. I'll see you again next time.
I'm turning on.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, bye bye, teacher.